Is it time to buy or sell Nike stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nike. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since March 20th, 2025, our system has identified Nike as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.68. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 5.46%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 2.73% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the wide and horizontal trend downward. Such breaks are often followed by swift and strong movements. Any correction down to the break line at approximately $69.62 is viewed as a second chance to exit before further declines. However, it's essential to recognize that false breaks may occur, and the price could potentially return to the horizontal trend. A break accompanied by increasing volume is generally considered more significant and reliable than those occurring on low volume. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 1.88% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 4.40% and 23.23%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 20.31%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 32.41% to negative 6.48% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $45.92 and $63.54. Our latest daily update for Nike includes the headline: Nike stock price fell more than 5.46% Friday, closing at $67.94. The Nike stock price decreased by 5.46% on the last trading day, Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, dropping from $71.86 to $67.94. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.46%, with a daily low of $65.17 and a daily high of $68.73. It has fallen in 9 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 13.55% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 56 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may signal an early warning and slightly elevated risk over the next couple of days. In total, 77 million shares were exchanged, totaling approximately $5.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $98.04, while the lowest price was $65.17. Currently, the price is 30.7%, or $30.10, below the 52-week high, and 62.07%, or $111.16, below the all-time high reached on the 5th of November 2021, when the price peaked at $179.10. Nike shares are experiencing notable declines today, dropping approximately 8% in early trading as investors respond to its third-quarter results for the year 2025. While the company's earnings exceeded expectations, it is confronting a concerning outlook, with projected sales anticipated to decrease by double digits in the fourth quarter. This follows a 30% decline in 2024 and a current year reduction of 5%. Investors are particularly worried about the effects of tariffs and an ongoing inventory reset, which could impede the company's recovery efforts. The uncertainty surrounding Nike's growth strategy has prompted skepticism among analysts, with some recommending caution regarding its potential for turnaround. Additionally, declining digital revenues, which are down 15% year over year, amplify these concerns. In the short term, this negative sentiment is likely to exert pressure on Nike's stock price as investors navigate these challenges. If the forecast proves accurate, we may continue to witness volatility as the market processes the implications of Nike's restructuring and the broader economic conditions affecting consumer confidence. Long-term prospects may depend on the effectiveness of management strategies and innovations, which some analysts believe could ultimately support a rebound in performance. However, that optimism encounters significant short-term obstacles. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned NKE an outperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NKE an overweight rating with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned NKE a sector perform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned NKE an outperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NKE a neutral rating with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for Nike. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Nike stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $72.01 and $75.29. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 25, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 16.86%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a sell action 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy action 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 8 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell action 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nike. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock typically shows average daily movements, and with a favorable trading volume, the risk level is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $3.56 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 5.46%. During the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.93%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nike, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 26th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 27 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nike stands at $68.88. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which implies that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such conditions. The combined average rating for Nike from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of February, 2025, Mark Parker conducted an insider purchase of 110,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 14th of February, 2025, Mark Parker also conducted an insider sale of 11,295 shares of Class B common stock. On the 14th of February, 2025, Mark Parker conducted another insider sale of 110,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 14th of February, 2025, Mark Parker conducted an insider sale of 110,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 13th of February, 2025, Robert Line conducted an insider sale of 4,506 shares of Class B common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 6.256. Overall, insiders purchased 9,241,630 shares and sold 8,206,802 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Nike stock a good buy? Nike shows several negative indicators and is currently in a broad downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we expect Nike to open lower by 660 cents, starting at $67.28. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.